Hey everybody, Brian here with SWW Worx. Today I want to show you a really cool new accessory we came out with for the Land Cruiser 250. We already make the drawer systems for the Land Cruiser 250. It's been a great seller for us since we released it a couple months ago, but now we have the window covers. We've had this tested in a customer's vehicle for the last couple months. He absolutely loves them. I want to show you how they work and how they install. First one we have here with these nice, really cool new upgraded suction cups right here is the back window. So we created this one to fit right here on the back window. Once you kind of line it up like such, you'll kind of push your suction cups on like that. It goes right around all of these little sections right here. In this form, you can actually still easily open up your back window when the tailgate is shut. And then when you shut it again, you will not get stuck in any of these like little weather strips or anything. So that's the back door. That's gonna be an awesome one for people who are camping and just don't want people looking into their back windows here. The next one you got is the cargo area side windows. Once again, suction cups because there's no magnetic areas for them. And you'll see black on the inside, silver on the outside. These large suction cups will just sit right in there like that. Push them in like this. Hop back in there to get the last few. Just like that, you got a blacked out area in the back of your Land Cruiser 250 cargo trunk. Working our way forward, we have the second row window covers. So these ones actually have little magnets in them. So when you put them together, they magnet to each other. So it stays nice and shut. You don't have to put it in a bag or anything. You don't have to put any straps around it. So all you do is open it up. You're gonna see something that says interior up. You're gonna see our logo in there, black to the inside, the grayish silver to the outside. Same thing, just gonna line it up. These will all sit right here on all of this metal and magnet itself on. You'll kind of push it on the seam here and boom, blacked out for your second row. Perfect for camping, perfect if you're leaving your vehicle in your driveway or for a long period of time. Now we got the driver passenger ones, same concept. When you shut these, there'll be a little magnetic strip in here that will magnet it shut so that you don't have to use any of your straps or anything. We got rid of all of those because it was just a lot to handle when you're trying to put all these straps around. They're always banging and flopping around your door. So open that one up, same thing. It'll magnet to all these little corners right here, like such, and boom, you got them in the front. The very last one, this one does have the straps around it just because it has a lot of folds in it, but this is your front windshield. You'll undo those straps, pop into the driver passenger seat. Once again, we'll do the silver out, and you'll just kind of slide it across your dash like such, around your mirror like that, and you've got a premium full window cover inside of there. Those are all of the window covers for your Land Cruiser 250. You'll find those on SWWWorx.com.